In this video, we'll show you how to change the thermostat on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You need to drain the coolant circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush Honda Civic. Once the circuit has been bled, you need to access the thermostat. Using adjustable pliers or the tool used in this video, compress the coolant hose retaining ring. Then remove the hose. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two bolts on the wiring harness retaining bracket. Then shift it. Then, using the same tools, unscrew the two thermostat housing cover retaining bolts. Then remove it. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using adjustable pliers, remove the thermostat. Remove the used seal. Then wipe off the impurities on the seal with a paper towel. You can order the thermostat used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new thermostat. Install it in its location. Please note that the jiggle valve must be positioned at the top of the thermostat. Put the thermostat housing cover back in place and screw it back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Replace the bracket and screw it back on. Reconnect the hose. Put the coolant hose retaining ring back in place. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush Honda Civic. Operation complete.